why the Terra Classic's price on the decline, and what's next for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Lunc bearish pullback. Terra Classic has been tearing the charts in the past 2 weeks, surging by over 300% to set a new yearly high above 0.30's $22. However, it has since lost momentum and has retraced by over 40% as analysts predict which way next for the cryptocurrency. At press time, Lunc is trading at 0.30's $146 for an $855 million market cap, the 71st highest in the market. In the past day, it has dipped by 9.12% and by 18% in the past 7 days from $0.00018 as the market soured. However, zooming out, the token is one of the best performers this month. Since mid-November, it has gained 113%, and in the past 12 days, it has surged over 300%. Among the factors that pushed the token to new highs was an anticipated airdrop of Lunc and its sister token, USTC, by Mint Cash, a platform developed by ex-Terra programmer Daniel Hong. A recent proposal by the community to burn 800 million USTC also stoked confidence in the token's future and brought a bevy of investors into the market. But with a circulating supply of 5.83 trillion, this burn might not make the biggest difference. However, the momentum has shifted since it peaked at 0.30's $27. It reversed a steady pullback on December 10th, but the upward trajectory didn't last long. It has retraced since as some of its key technical indicators flip bearish. The token's relative strength index remains above the 50-point mark at press time, but it has progressively dipped in an indication of the continued weakening of the token's earlier momentum. An RSI above 50 is considered bullish, but if it hits the 70-point mark, an asset is likely overbought and is bound to dip. So what's next for Terra Classic? Terra Classic's weakening market movements are reflected in other indicators. One of these is its open interest, which has been dropping for the past week as prices started falling. In the derivatives market, a dip in an asset's open interest alongside its price is an indication that holders are being forced to liquidate their positions, and this tends to set the stage for a bigger dip. The data supports this. In the past day, about $100,000 worth of positions were liquidated. Of these, the long holders accounted for 77%, a majority of which was on OKX. The funding rate, on the other hand, has remained consistent over the past week, according to data from Kwon Analyze. Now let's talk about the new pay-per-job model for Terra Classic. This new model, ratified through a community governance vote, marks a significant departure from the traditional monthly payment system. It is designed to cover a range of critical tasks, including but not limited to chain upgrades, ongoing maintenance, and infrastructure management. The essence of this model lies in its task-oriented approach, where compensation is directly linked to the completion of specific jobs. This method promises to bring a more dynamic and performance-driven atmosphere to the development process. However, the implementation of this model is not without its complexities. Proposal 11889, which outlines the pay-per-job framework, was noted by L1TF and TCC to lack crucial details necessary for practical application. These include specific guidelines for job execution and an established cost structure for various job tiers. The proposed tiers range in cost from $10,000 to $50,000, reflecting the varied scope and complexity of tasks within the Terra LUNA Classic platform. A notable aspect of this model is its governance structure. All job listings and subsequent changes are to be maintained on the Classic Terra GitHub repository, with future modifications subject to community governance. This approach underscores the commitment to transparency and collective decision-making inherent in blockchain projects. Despite its innovative approach, the proposal has encountered resistance from parts of the community. Critics argue that this model may inadvertently lead to centralization, a significant departure from the decentralized ethos of blockchain. There are also concerns about increased costs and potential security threats, as the model requires developers to provide KYC certification, adding a layer of bureaucracy to the process. In conclusion, while the pay-per-job model introduced by L1TF and TCC for Terra LUNA Classic represents a novel approach in blockchain project management, it also raises questions about the balance between efficiency, cost, and the fundamental principles of decentralization and security. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, the responses and adaptations of projects like Terra LUNA Classic will be critical in shaping the future of blockchain development. Let's talk that the Terra Classic Coalition gets formed. The revival efforts for the once mighty Terra have remained strong. Token burning is one of the strategies the dedicated community has used to maintain and increase Lunc's value. Over 85 billion tokens have been removed from circulation since May 2022. The Terra Classic Coalition came to be on December 8th, 2023. While an unofficial group, it consists of known Terra Classic members who plan to advance the blockchain. Although voluntary, the coalition may rely on a pay-per-job payment model to compensate contributors. While Lunc has dropped 36% from 0.30's $28 to 0.30's $18. It remains among the altcoins to watch, given the revival interest. Moreover, estimates hint at minimum values of 0.30's $25 and 0.30's $80 for 2024 and 2025, respectively. And lastly, let's talk about what next for Lunc price. In a significant development for the Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem, the community has successfully burned a staggering 85 billion Lunc since May 18, 2022. This achievement underscores the community's ongoing efforts to reduce the amount of Lunc in circulation, to stabilize and enhance its value. Leading the charge in this initiative is the renowned cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, which has played a pivotal role by burning approximately 43.6 billion Lunc. This figure represents more than half of the total Lunc burned to date. Binance's consistent participation has been a cornerstone of the burning campaign, demonstrating the exchange's commitment to the Terra LUNA Classic community. Following the split from Terraform Labs led by Kwon, Terra LUNA Classic has transitioned into a community-led project. Governance and development decisions are now in the hands of members and developers approved by the community, marking a new era of decentralized control and engagement. With a total supply of 6.82 trillion Luncs and 5.83 trillion currently in circulation, the community is actively seeking ways to reduce the circulating supply. The strategy involves improving utility to enhance the burn rate efficiently. The community burns an average of 200 million Lunc weekly, while Binance contributes billions monthly to the burn address. December 1st witnessed Binance conducting its 16th batch of Lunc burn, eliminating about 4 billion Lunc coins from circulation. This event coincided with the launch of USTC perpetual contracts and the listing of new USTC and Lunc pairings. These developments led to a surge in Lunc spot and margin trading volumes, market volatility, and Lunc price. Despite the overall cryptocurrency market showing signs of recovery, Lunc continues to experience volatility. The price of Lunc has recently dropped by over 2%, trading at 0.30's $19 with a 20% decrease in trading volume over the past day. The 24-hour low at the time of reporting stands at 0.30's $2. This ongoing campaign and the developments within the Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem highlight the community's resilience and commitment to restoring stability and trust in the LUNC token. So what do you think about this Terra Classic's price decline? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments your views on the LUNC token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.